Alright, yeah. We are going show. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Show you guys what I got. Thanks to Nick from New Provisions Racing for hooking me up. Grimmspeed catted Jake pipe. So, you know, if you guys can see this. You guys see this? Yeah. So, Grimmspeed catted Jake pipe. And I'm not going to do the install today. I'm actually waiting on the Grimmspeed downpipe 3-inch aftermarket adapter. That won't be until Tuesday. I think tomorrow I might do the parent charge pipe and the top mount intercooler tomorrow. But so far this weekend the weather's going to be like 38, 39 degrees. So nothing exciting, you know. So back to Wisconsin, cold weather again. So I'm gonna unbox this and I want to show you guys what this Grimmspeed cat and J pipe actually comes with. So pretty cool. I like the box. I have to say it is one of the best boxes package. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, now it has a metal staple. Kind of don't want to. Oh, I didn't have to do that, but all right. Be able to see this. Alright. I'll bring the camera closer too. You guys can see this. Yeah. Let's go ahead and showcase this. Alright. I love the Grimmspeed brand on this J pipe here. You guys can see that. Let me go ahead and reverse my camera so you guys can see this. You guys can see that Grimmspeed. I love the welding on this. Pretty nice. I like this. Oh wow, they actually send more stickers and license plate. License plate frames. Oh, okay. Alright. I wasn't expecting that. Like I said, the hardware kit. What comes with it, you guys can see here. Thanks to Clark, I think it was Clark that did the packaging. Appreciate it. Love the packaging, guys. You guys are awesome. You get the hardware kit. It does come with the 4 studs. The 4 studs for the J pipe. In case if you didn't buy. If you bought like an NVIDIA downpipe, if you bought like a different brand downpipe, you're not gonna get the J pipe hardware kit included. So if you buy the Grimmspeed's hardware, Grimmspeed's J pipe, you get the hardware kit, and you also get the gaskets here. 2 gaskets. Get the gasket for the aftermarket exhaust for the catback, and you also get the downpipe J pipe gasket. So 3-inch downpipe gasket. So I'm not going to be using this because I already have a 3-inch catback already, and I am using Grimmspeed's adapter gasket kit for the catback. So I shouldn't have an issue, but like I said, I don't plan on installing it today. I just want to show you guys what comes with it. You know, I love the packaging from Grimmspeed. You know, thanks to Clark for packaging this. And I mean, like I said, I mean, this is pretty cool. I can't lie. You know, Grimmspeed provides. You know, I'm satisfied just looking at this product already. So, let's see. I kind of want to show you guys something else. Oh yeah. So O2 sensors go here and here, and then I think I can't remember what he's, because I can't remember, but yeah. So you can see how this is. I didn't realize how long or how big the J pipe was until I actually put the aftermarket cap back. And so this is the most restrictive part on the FA20. That's what I've seen so far. I mean, I thought the cap back was restricted, but no, it's just the downpipe. So like I said, I'm going to finish my video clips on just the carbon exhaust cap back with the OEM downpipe. I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to do more sound clips today. Like I said, it's only 38, 39 degrees today. It might be 40 later on, but that's it. So, but thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, going to be installed on Tuesday. That's when I get my adapter kit for the downpipe from Grimmspeed again. That's another part from Grimmspeed. I'll make another video on that. And then, I can't remember. But, I'm trying to work on a giveaway for my subscribers, so I'll probably be more on the Subaru side. I know I haven't been done any videos for kids, but anyways, yeah. But I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, I do plan on doing a giveaway too. So, my goal is to reach, you know, at least 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So that's my goal. Nothing crazy, you know, but you know, at least 10,000 by the end of this year. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys.